Hi guys, welcome to Monday, April 20th. I'm just going to make a quick video today just to give you a heads up for some assignments today and what you should be doing. So as I said on Friday, you should have started reading chapter 6, and if you haven't yet, you have time. I'm going to do the PowerPoint video tomorrow to kind of go over in more detail the chapter, but like I said before, in previous chapters, it's always good to read the entire chapter so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. And also, I never go over those smaller sections that are separate from the chapter, but those like little articles that are sometimes on the quizzes, but I don't go over them in the PowerPoint, so I suggest reading those and so you are familiar with them come quiz time. So the first thing to do is I see some of you have already done it, which is quite alright. But this is just going to be the first employability assessment. It's if you've taken a NWTC course through East before, you're probably familiar with it. I think they make every NWTC course do it. So you might already be familiar with it, which is great. But they want us to do two. They want us to do the first one around this time and then a second one towards the end of the course just to see how your employability assessment closer to the beginning of the school trimester has improved throughout doing the work for the class. And then your journal entry. Journal entry 4, just labeled language. It's due to Google Classroom on Monday, and then the employability assessment, if I didn't say, is due on Wednesday, because it's fairly easy, fairly quick to get done. And then yeah, the journal entry, you are doing like you do for all journal entries, where you are watching, I think this one is a video, if I remember correctly, you're watching the video and then you're using chapter 6 and the video itself to answer the questions that are in the Google Classroom assignment. So making references to the chapter we are on, this time chapter 6, is incredibly important when completing these journal entries, so do not forget that. And also don't forget to analyze the quotes that you put in there and why it fits in with your journal entry. Don't just plop something in there and not analyze it for me, okay? Oops, sorry. So that's pretty much it. Start working on those. Read chapter 6 or finish up reading chapter 6 if you started on Friday when I assigned it. And we will go over it tomorrow. Alright, so have a good day. Start of week 4. We're almost a month into this online schooling thing. Have you got a hand on it yet? I feel like I'm kind of steady on my feet. So if you guys want to check in with me, I usually send weekly check-ins, but if you want to check in with me and just tell me how you're doing, how you feeling, if you're still a little uneasy, let me know. Alright, have a good one.